So, example 1. Find the probability distribution of obtaining exactly 2 heads if a fair coin is tossed 3 times. So, makaremember ta nga kaning nga problem, ato naning na-solve sa katong example na to sa discrete probability distribution. And, ilagay ito ang probability nga ang ato ang heads kay. So, from that example, na-solve na ito ang probability na ang ato ang head kay exactly 2 is equal to itong lantawon sa itong previous result. So, ganito siya nga problem. Ang probability nga ito ang head kay exactly 2 if we toss the coin 3 times is 3/8. Atong lantawon karon kung nakuha ba nato ng result nga 3/8 without going to daghan pa nga kuha ang tables, wala nang dapat ang tables. So, ganun siya. So, probability is 3/8. Mo na to ang result sa previous na to nga solution in which we go to nag-solve, nagama tag table, naglista sa possible outcomes. In this case, let's not try to do that, but let's try to use the binomial formula, which is b x n p binomial of pila ang x, pila ang possible na to na ato sang isulat ang formula day. Sorry. So, ang formula is n cx times p to the x times q to the n minus x. So, in this case, what is x? Small letter x. Pila ka ito nga ito ang kandere, pila ka heads. Heads mo na nga ito ang success. So, success na ito kay ang heads. So, in this case, x is equal to 2, the number of success. 2 about n. What is n? N is the number of trials. Meaning, nag-toss ta sa coin 3 times. So, that is 3. What is p? The probability that we will get head in a toss in an experiment. So, the probability nga makakuha ta og hari sa taga-itsa nato sa coin 1/2. Kay duha ra man hari o patay ra man ang possibilities, and that's 1/2. So now let's use the binomial formula. Simple as ato lang siyang i-apply. So, probability nga makakuha ta og 2 ka heads out of 3 trials, knowing that 1/2 is the probability nga makakuha ta og head sa isa ka trial, is equal to 3 combination 2 times 0.5, or that's 1/2, raised to 2 times, what is q? Oh, wala pa na-solve ang q. Q is just equal to 1 minus p, probability nga failure. In this case, 1/2 lang gihapon. So, 0.5 n minus x. So, what is n? That is 3, x is 2. So, that's 1. And therefore, pila man ni siya? 3 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. So, 3 minus 2 factorial over 2 factorial pa jud. Then, what is that? 0.5 to, or 1/8, 1/2 to the 1/2 cube is 1/, that's 1/8. So, kung kana siya, ang answer kay pila man na? 3 factorial is 3 times. So, ang mabilin is 3 factorial is 3 times 2. Then, naputay 2 times 1 sa ubos. Times 1/8. So, ang answer is, mag-cancel ng 2. Ang mabilin is 3/8. So, using the binomial distribution formula, NCX, P to the X, Q to the N minus X, basta natay experiment nga duha lang ang possible result, either a failure or a success, dali na kaya nato makuha. Kay itong lantawon sa previous na itong example, medyo dugay siya masolve. So sa daanin na ito nga kuhan, kana siya na ito nga problem, nang gikuha is nagtabulate pa ta, then gikan pa na sa previous kuhan nga ito pang list ang mga possible sample space. In this case, dali ra kaya na ito masolve. So sayon ra, as long as familiar ta sa formula, and kabaluta kung unsay may meaning aning mga letters sa formula. Okay? N is the number of trials. X is the number of success. P is the probability nga success. Q is just the complement of P, which is the probability of a failure. So let's try to have example 2 to illustrate further. Find the probability of obtaining exactly 3 2s if an ordinary die is tossed 5 times. So find the probability of obtaining exactly 3 2s if an ordinary, so this is ordinary, die is tossed 5 times. So exactly 3 2. So probability that X is equal to 2 is equal to binomial distribution of exactly 3 ka 2s, meaning, okay, let me erase this first. Unsa ang ato ang ang ato ang X, in this case, what is our success? Success nato dan is define nato as getting a 2. Getting a 2 when a die is tossed. Meaning, mag-toss ta og die, kabalo man sa nan die, diba? Na say 6 ka possible outcome, which is ang sample space anang tossing a die is pwede makuha tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Kaya na may 6 ka faces ang die. Then, ang nga dire is find the probability of obtaining exactly 3 2s. Meaning, kung mag-toss ta og die ka 5, dapat makakuha ta og 3 ka 2. Exactly 3 ka 2. So, which means, ang ato ang success is getting a 2. So now let's try to write the formula first. Binomial of X and P equal to NCX P to the X Q to the N minus X. So what is X? The number of success. X is equal to 2. What is N? The number of trials. Pila man ka trial? Kalimata magtoos. 5. What is P? The probability that we'll get a success. So probability nga atong makuha kay 2. So unsay probability nga sa isa daw ka experiment atong makuha kay 2. So dira nato atong PDI makakuha tawag 2, meaning isa ka buktura man ang pwede mo gawas, 2 over 6 ka possible. So probability nga makakuha tawag 2 is 1 over 6. And probability nga dili ta makakuha og 2 is 1 minus 1 over 6 or just 5 over 6. And inga na lang kasimple. Therefore ang answer is N is 5, C is 2, P P is, what is P? 1 over 6. So times 1 over 6 raised to the 2 times 5 over 6 raised to the n. What is n? That's 5 minus x, which is 2. That is just 3. So, saan na siya pag-result? You use a calculator to do this. Of course, I hope that you know how to do that. And you also know how to solve that 5C2. As long as you get this, then more or less, this is really what's being required. Problema lang ang karon sa na siya nimo pag-perform. And that is only a problem with the calculator and dili na siya problem sa statistics. So, nga lang kasimple. I-define mo unsang mong success, meaning in this case, getting a 2. Then, second is, pangitaon mo ang probability nga makakuha ka ng success, which is 1 over 6 in that case. Simple lang, di ba? Kay 1, isa raman, kung makakuha ka og 2, isa raman ka 2 ang sa imong sample space, and there are 6 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 1 over 6. So, let's try another example para ito yung maklaro kung